If your editing timeline is slowing down in DaVinci Resolve, especially when you're working with high-resolution footage, proxy media can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll show you how to enable proxy media for faster editing in DaVinci Resolve 20, how to switch to proxy playback for smoother performance, and how to make sure you switch back to your original media before exporting for the best final quality. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, editing workflows, and easy software guides. First, go to your media pool and find the high-resolution clips you want to work with. These are usually the files that take longer to load or stutter during playback. Proxy files are low-resolution copies of your original media, and they're designed to make editing much smoother on slower systems or when working with large video files. Now right-click on the high-resolution files in the media pool. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Generate Proxy Media. Click that option, and DaVinci Resolve 20 will begin creating smaller, easier-to-process versions of your clips in the background. Depending on the size of your footage and your computer's speed, this may take a little time, but it's an important step for improving playback performance. Once the proxy files are generated, you can tell DaVinci Resolve to actually use them during editing. To do that, go to the Playback menu in the top menu bar. This menu contains the playback and media handling settings that control what you see in the viewer while you're editing. Inside the Playback menu, find Proxy Handling, then select Prefer Proxies. This is the setting that tells DaVinci Resolve to use the lightweight proxy files instead of the original high-resolution footage while you're editing. Once this is enabled, you should notice smoother playback, less lag, and fewer stutters, especially when working with 4K or even larger files. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow without changing your actual source footage. It's especially useful for laptops, older computers, or projects with a lot of effects, color work, or multiple video layers. Before you finish your project and export your final video, there is one very important thing you need to do. Go back to the Playback menu and change proxy handling from Prefer Proxies to Prefer Originals. This makes sure DaVinci Resolve uses your full quality source again before final render. Why does this matter? Because proxies are only meant for smoother editing. They are not intended for final delivery. Switching back to the original files ensures the highest possible quality for your exported video, so your final render looks crisp, clean, and professional. So, to quickly recap, right-click your clips in the media pool, generate proxy media, go to Playback, set proxy handling to Prefer Proxies while editing, and then switch back to Prefer Originals before exporting on the Deliver page. That's it. You now know how to use proxy media in DaVinci Resolve 20 for faster editing, while still keeping your final export at the best quality. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this one.